Ya KTN. Naam, serikali imehimizwa kuunga mkono kampuni za utengenezaji wa bidhaa mbalimbali nchini ili kuwezesha biashara hizi kupanua uwezo wao wa kutoa ajira zaidi kwa Wakenya. Yanajiri wakati ambapo serikali imesisitiza kwamba kuzingatia utengenezaji wa bidhaa nchini badala ya kuagiza bidhaa kutoka nje ya nchi.
This launch of our unique brand of every Kenyan and non-Kenyan in this place. Thank you.
Kenya is a very competitive market, and the best thing is if we have the right product at the right price point, I think we can make a very big impact in the market. And with the new categories in which we are getting into, we are going to bring a lot of new products at a very affordable price to the consumers.
What we are also doing now is actually looking into Made in Kenya. So we are looking into how we can actually now start our own kitchen wherein the manufacturing happens here in Kenya itself, so that the accessibility becomes very good, and at the same time the supply chain can be eased off in terms of how we actually get the product from different countries. We have a plant in India, we have the plant as well as in these consumer products are available in South Africa, but when we will make in Kenya,